Hi everyone, this is Shivnath Mandal. Today, guys, I am very happy because we have one of the most topics to describe in this videos. The topic's name is the importance of English. What is the importance of English? So we all are know English is a language. English is a global and international language. So what is the importance of this language? So everyone know what is importance in this modern way, just like in this modern days, everyone wants to learn this language. Why the people wants to learn in this language? So because guys, the every companies and every areas, every cities and every just like every countries and I think most of the country peoples wants to find out the people who can speak English and who can communicate to each other. So how the people can communicate? This is a very nice question. So in this way, just like English, if you speak English, if you try to convince the people what you want to say in front of those people, so you can speak in front of the people and try to convince and try to communicate that people can know you what you have and what do you want to show him. So this is main important things to learn English. And if you have a just like if you have a ability and you can show your ability in this way. So that was the importance of English. And we also can say different kinds of things about the English and what is the importance of English. So guys, if someone asks you the importance of English, so guys, you can easily say in this modern era that everyone needs English. Why? Because every companies and every areas and I are also personally talking about the domestic area. Every domestic area, the people wants to learn English. Why? Because they interest in English, because they want to show the ability and how to show the ability in front of the people. So if we speak English easily, that time your ability will easily show the people and now the people what you have. So guys, in this videos I'm gonna end up these videos and hope you like these videos and try to subscribe this channel. And this is really this was really nice topics to discuss in these videos. So bye, take care.